Some new vocabularies. Number 1. Can be folded, collapsible. Number 2. Can be duplicated, replicable. Number 3. Can be followed, traceable. Number 4. Can be maintained, sustainable. Number 5. Can be understood, comprehensible. Number 6. Can be carried, portable. Number 7. Can be measured, quantifiable. Number 8. Can be touched, tangible. Number 9. Easy to read, legible. Number 10. Easy to see, visible. Number 11. Safe to drink, portable. Number 12. Safe to eat, edible. Number 13. Easy to hear. Let me know in the comment.